Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study medicine from Prepladder. First, establish a clear study plan that incorporates active learning, consistent practice, and thorough revision. Dedicate 6 to 8 hours each day to focus study, ensuring high-quality engagement with your material. Remember to take frequent, short breaks, perhaps using a 25-minute study and 5-minute break cycle, to prevent burnout and enhance retention. This structured approach forms the bedrock of effective preparation. Prepladder offers powerful tools to boost your learning. Make the most of their engaging video lectures, which often include animations and three-dimensional models to simplify complex topics. Dive into the extensive QBank, practicing with more than 18,000 multiple-choice questions and listening to the helpful audio explanations. Additionally, leverage the structured notes, complete with flowcharts and high-quality images, to solidify your understanding and improve recall. Effective study involves smart revision and practice. Set aside one day each week, perhaps Sunday, exclusively for reviewing all the material you've covered. Aim to practice around 100 multiple-choice questions every day. This consistent effort will significantly improve your speed and accuracy. Furthermore, build a strong foundation in core subjects such as physiology, pathology, and pharmacology, as these are crucial for mastering medicine. For advanced preparation, personalize your learning by annotating your notes with key insights and high-yield facts. This creates a tailored resource for rapid last-minute revision. Don't forget to utilize Prepladder's Treasures feature, which provides concise summaries of must-know concepts, perfect for boosting retention. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals to support your study journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.